So dear students, we have this practical number 1. आप इसके ऑब्जेक्ट को देख पा रहे होंगे. The object is to study and plot the static characteristic of a transistor, that is bipolar junction transistor, in common emitter configuration. So we have to use a transistor in common emitter configuration for plotting static characteristic or output characteristic. We have this board on which different elements or the terminals are connected, and we have this transistor. The transistor is just behind or beneath this board, और इसको हम प्रैक्टिकल के लास्ट में आपको पीछे की तरफ से भी दिखाएंगे. ओके, तो इसकी बात अभी हम थोड़ी देर में करेंगे. नाउ लेट अस टॉक अबाउट डिफरेंट important instruments or meters that is used in this practical. So these two terminals of the circuit are fed by DC voltage by this dual power supply. This dual power supply, you can easily see, it gives 0 to 30 volt, and on another terminal it gives again 0 to 30 volt. So it enables us to give a voltage from 0 to 60 volt to any circuit. Okay, and the voltage is controlled with the help of these two knobs. It is a coarse knob. If we want to control or vary the voltage at a higher level, then this fine knob is used to control a level, control voltage level for lower levels. Okay, so this gives supply to the BJT, and in the circuit you can see this supply is connected over here, and a rheostat or rotatory resistance is connected. It is this one. Okay, so with the help of this knob we can vary the resistance or vary the voltage across base and emitter. Okay, now let us talk about emitter. For the measurement of base current, this emitter 0 to 1 milliampere or 0 to 500 microamperes, practically we are using this emitter for the measurement of base current, and its range is from 0 to 500 microamperes. Okay, so this is the emitter which we will use, and it is connected in the circuit for the measurement of base current. Okay, now you see this is another emitter. It measures current from 0 to 100 milliamperes. Okay, which you are seeing on this dial panel. Okay, it measures collector current. Okay, so for the measurement of collector current we are using this emitter. Now you see this is a digital meter, digital multimeter, and it can measure various quantities. With the help of this knob you can easily see that we are measuring the voltage, and we are here in this circuit we measures voltage across collector and emitter. Okay, this is this voltmeter. So practically we need 0 to 25 volt, so we are using a digital multimeter over here. Okay, so instead of taking all the readings, we have set this apparatus with the help of this knob. With the help of this knob we can control the base current, and with the help of this coarse knob we can control a controlled base current, and we can vary voltage across collector and emitter. Okay, so we control collector and emitter voltage with the help of this coarse button. So we have placed all the things in such a manner that we are taking one reading. So this one, this is the reading for a particular value of base current, and base current is here is around 100 microamperes or 0.1 milliampere. So for all the readings we have to keep this base current constant. So for this 0.1 milliampere base current we will measure, or we will vary the voltage across collector and emitter, which we are measuring here through this digital multimeter. We will vary this voltage with the help of this coarse button, the coarse knob. With the help of this coarse knob, and we will vary the voltage across collector and emitter, and we will observe the value of collector current through this meter. So this is about how we will take the reading. After when one set of reading is over, then we will change the base current from 100 ampere, sir इधर दिखाइए, 100 microamperes to 200 microamperes, that is 0.1 milliampere to 0.2 milliampere. Okay, then we will take again another set of readings. After that, third set of reading will be taken, okay, which will be provided to you. We are not taking all the readings in the video because the video length will be larger in that case. Okay, so you can stop. So now student, I have disassembled all the connections in order to show you this panel and what items or what components are connected to this. So for showing this, I am just flipping it down. This is the important component, that is BJT. Okay, it is having three terminals. One is common, one is emitter, which is common to which one is common? Yes, this one is common. Okay, this one is common. This is emitter and it is common to both inputs as well as outputs. Okay, and this is base. This is base terminal which is connected to this terminal, and this is the collector terminal which is coming out to this terminal. Now in the upper part of the circuit you can easily see that these two terminals are open circuited. Okay, these two terminals are open circuited, and an emitter is connected for the measurement of collector current, and at the same time these two terminals are also open circuited, and an emitter or micro emitter is also connected at these two terminals to measure the base current. Okay, these two terminals were used to for the measurement of voltage across collector and emitter with the help of digital multimeter. So this is about practical setup of this practical for plotting static characteristic of bipolar junction transistor in common emitter configuration. Okay, thank you very much.